Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna make letter D. First of all, select text tool and type D. Then select Dear Darling font free and increase the size as per your requirement. You can find these files in description below. Make a copy by pressing plus. Select both objects and click on front minus black option. Then select both objects and click on weld option. Now right click on image and select power clip option and click pointer on D. Now right click and select edit power clip and adjust the image accordingly. Right click and select finish editing this level. Click on object, then select drop shadow tools and from the preset choose flat bottom left option and adjust the shadows. Now make a copy by pressing plus and try with other images too. Select rectangle tool. Fill colors you want to fill. Press Shift plus page down to send the object backward. Now select Interactive Fill tool for gradient effect. Choose color as per your needs. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment.